Hello everyone, today's recipe, easy potato soup. Cut the onion and potatoes. In a heat pan, add butter and stir the cut onion and potato for 5 minutes. Add water, cover, and leave it for 5 minutes again in a medium heat. After 5 minutes, close the gas stove. Put it in the mixer grinder. Add some water and grind it. Put it in the pot. Add milk. Mix. Bring it to boil in a medium heat. When boiling already, add cheese, black pepper powder, parsley, salt, continuously stirring until it boils. And when boiling already, it's done. Cut bread in bite size. I don't have white bread, so I use morning bread instead. In a heat pan, add butter and fry bread for 1 to 2 minutes. Serve it hot. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.